Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Vlad. So today we're gonna be installing the illuminating door sills for the Prius. The original sills that say Prius on them. Unfortunately, only the front ones light up, but it's okay. It just means that the back ones are gonna be very easy to install. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna install it, how I'm gonna connect it to power, and show you the result. So let's go and install the back ones real quick because it's gonna be super easy. So this is the original door sill that I have, which is just plastic. You just pry it off with your fingers. It comes off. I already had it off. That's why it looks somewhat clean. And I think this one is not gonna fit because this is for a Prius and I have Prius V. Amazing. Okay, so it looks like the front one fits, but where's the original? Here's the original plastic. As you can see, the original has 4 clips. I had 3, but this one is misaligned completely, so I just cut it off and I'm gonna put it on right now. But before I do that, I'm gonna install these pads over here. You see where the gasket is? This is the soft area. This is like rubber and soft over here, so you're supposed to apply these here just to make sure over time there's no damage to the wiring. So I'm gonna put these on real quick and show you how it looks. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. It's on. I don't think you're supposed to use this soft pad here. That's why you get 4 of these. So you apply one on the bare metal, and then you apply the second one on top of the wire to make sure it's secure. But nevertheless, if we put the seal back in, it should be okay. It's kind of bulging now, but it is what it is. And I can take the seal off. It's gonna look nice and beautiful. I just need to connect the wiring now, and I'm gonna figure something out for the back because the back doesn't fit at all. And this is what the passenger side looks like. I had to put the soft pad because these on top, these don't hold shit. So I put it on, zip tied the wire, and the wire is gonna go inside over there and connect somewhere there. So far that's what I got. So in the back, I just decided to put some Velcro because there's no other way. I cut the clips that were here. Same on this side, you see, they just cut off. And I'm just gonna put it on with Velcro on top of my original, which is gonna look something like this. But at least it holds and I can remove it. And the door closes fine. So yeah, this is the best outcome to install the Prius door sills on the Prius V. Okay guys, so I used the multimeter with continuity to find these 2 wires. These 2 wires for the puddle lights, because the puddle light comes on when the door is open. So there's this connector on the Prius V, and the 2 wirings you need are this red and this side yellow. They're like right next to each other. So these are the 2 wires we need. So I'm gonna tap them and show you how it lights up. So I hooked up yellow to yellow, red to red. Let's plug it back in. Boom! This thing is on, and this thing is glowing fire. And on the passenger side, it's the same thing, but the wires are red and blue. This is the same connector, this one right here, but you connect, see this red? So there are 4 wires go together, so this last red and then this blue on the opposite side. So those two you need to tap into to make it work. So that's it for the install pretty much. It's very simple, takes like 10 minutes to install. It just kind of sucks about the rear doors, but what can you do? This kit is from Toyota, but for Prius, not Prius V. So Prius V is bigger. I don't know if they have a specific size for this car, but nevertheless, it's pretty much the same. It just doesn't really fit properly, but you can make it work. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.